My name is Munazir. Welcome to my channel ML with Munazir. In this video, I want to explain how to use different tools for profile building and job search in better way, because I have been hearing from many candidates and many of my colleagues and friends. They are frustrated, and they say that they keep applying for multiple job, though the JD was in very much sync, but their profile did not get picked. I want to explain today by use of multiple tools like some resume builder tools and ChatGPT and LinkedIn job search, how to use these tools so to optimize your job search basically. Um, to begin with, there are four steps basically in the job search, which depends on you. The first thing is build a very good resume. So to do that, you can use multiple open source and free tools like resume example is there, Novo Resume, and multiple. I can name multiple websites, and even Canva is there where you can go and build your resumes. And the resume should be really attractive, and it should have the quality rather than just different colors and different fonts. It should have the quality, and it should have basically the keywords. The first thing is this. And second point for job search is you should know how to do a efficient job search, how to use LinkedIn jobs or other job portals, because all this is a game of keywords. So you should know that. Third thing is based on the JD. Suppose you are trying to search jobs on XYZ company, so you should go through the JD properly and then try to pick their skills, whatever is required skills are there, and pick that and try to update the resume. And finally, the fourth step would be to get a score. There are multiple tools available right now, which is free. There you can upload your resume, try to get their scores, because almost all the companies are using have integrated this automated tool to score your resume, because for a single job there are a lot of applicants over the globe. Suppose for some good company, product based MNCs are there, and they have some JD for some role. Maybe because I'm a data scientist, so I can say senior data scientist position is there. And for that position, because the company is very reputed, so across the globe people applies. So manually to pick the resume is very painful task. So they have employed the tools, AI based tools, which basically works on the keywords and lot of algorithms. I'll not talk about those, but I'll try to explain you how to have a curated resume so that your profile get picked. So let's begin. So first thing you can do is to build the resume. You can try to go to any resume website. Like suppose if I'll go to resume example, and I'll try to see there are multiple websites, Novo Resume, free resume builder, a lot of websites are there. So I'll go to this resume example. They'll have multiple templates are there. Suppose I want to create my resume, I'll click on that. Then it will give you multiple resume templates. So suppose my resume is this, so I can make a very good resume with this tool, and it is free of cost. You can do this. And and first thing is this resume building is done. So rather than coloring and all, your resume should really have content. It should reflect, and you should not lie and in the resume. And you are supposed to be very aware of the things you are writing, because I have taken multiple interviews, and I really ask the question around the resumes, because that is the thing, because we don't know you. So we know you from the resume first. Then once we speak in the interview, then we have the interaction, then we try to ask other questions. But first impression is resume. So have a really nice resume. Then another thing is how to do a job search. So this is my LinkedIn profile. So what you can do is, suppose you are interested in some positions like um, you are interested in data scientist opportunity. So you see here it is giving some recommendations. So I can just search data scientist where, Bangalore, Karnataka, India I want to search. Suppose you want to search anywhere, so that place name you can give here, and it will give you a list of the companies who is hiring for data scientists. So for sake of example, suppose I'm interested in some company called Tesco. I'm interested in this position. Then what I'll do, I'll try to go through the JD job description basically. And the idea would be to know how much of skill how much your skills are matching with this JD. So you see here, skills are explicitly listed, what qualification they need. So basically the idea would be to update your basic resume whatever you have built with these keywords like decision tree, cart, XGBoost, and these keywords should be there in resume, so that your resume could have higher score, and it would have higher chance of getting picked. One more thing which you can do is, here explicitly it is mentioned, suppose in some JD they have not mentioned the keywords, then what you can do is, you can try to copy the JD and use the ChatGPT. You can say that you have copied the resume JD, and you can say that can you list all the necessary skills required for the below JD. So once you submit the request, it will give you some list of qualifications. So based on this JD, it is saying that educational qualifications should be masters. So if you have masters in statistics, mathematics, anything, you should highlight that. And proficiency in SQL is needed, statistical concept is needed, so make hypothesis testing is needed, data mining techniques are needed, so machine learning, problem solving skills. So basically try to add these keywords, not everything, just the keywords in skill section of your resume. Try to update that way, so that your resume would have better chance of getting picked. So this is another thing. And once you updated your resume, and make sure that go to some kind of website which tries to score your resume. Here is one website called Resume Worded. So you should try to upload resume here, and you will see that okay, your resume score is, if it is 100, that is excellent. If it is greater than 70 also, it is excellent. But if it is, the score is less than 50, then it would be really hard for your resume to get picked for the companies wherein this kind of automated tools are being used. So you need to somehow, and even this tool will suggest you what you need to change, and is there are multiple spelling mistakes or um, some kind of suggestions it will give. So you should consider those suggestions. So I think with this I would like to summarize once again, to make because hiring process is really tedious, and for companies also it is not easy. And as a candidate, you try to search for better job, at the same time even companies are trying to have a very well qualified candidate, so they really want to hire you. So but you have to present yourself. First thing is, make a very good, attractive, and your resume should have really good content and necessary skills which is needed for the JD. So first thing is a very good resume. Second thing is, you should know how to use LinkedIn job search for the job search in better way. Third thing is, you can use this AI tool ChatGPT to from the JD to extract the necessary skills, so that it would be easy to update your resume. Even you can use ChatGPT to write a summary for your resume as well. So you can give some input that you have x amount of x years of experience in this domain, and you can give that, and it will give you a nice summary, and you can update the resume summary. And finally, don't forget to check your resume scores. So these are the important tools, and this is the way you should try to use this kind of methods to optimize your job search. One more thing you can do is, suppose you are interested in data scientist opportunity again, and you see, I'm suppose I'm interested in this opportunity. Try to connect with the person who is hiring for this role. Suppose for this role some person is hiring, so you should try to send him connection request if he allows it, and try to send him, if he accept your request, try to send him some very nice message that okay, you are interested in this position. So if he is using LinkedIn properly, like actively, then he will try to respond you. Otherwise, don't overwhelm anyone with multiple message, because there are many people who don't like it. Without their consent, you are not supposed to send them multiple messages. Once or twice is fine. If they are not responding, you should not keep bugging the same person, and you can try to search another person. And LinkedIn is very important tool, so try to grow your network, because it would help to land in job and try to learn. If you want to learn some LinkedIn feeds, you should scroll every day to learn multiple things, because lot of knowledgeable people are there, and lot of new exciting research is being done. And wherever, in which whatever profile you are, like suppose if you are a data scientist, you should have connection mostly with data scientists and HRs, which would be helpful for you to get like to land into the job basically. So that is all. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Stay tuned and please subscribe my channel, ML with Munazir, because lot of ML related and data science related content is going to come. I'll be starting in some 1 month machine learning course, which would have all the algorithms, mathematical details, at the same time how to code using NumPy, raw code, and using some libraries like scikit-learn. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Subscribe to ML with Munazir. Thank you.